Serge Grissin è il responsabile Michelin per il progetto Formula E. La Formula E viene seguita da Michelin dall'inizio del 2014-2015 nella prima stagione, and now it's a new era also for Michelin because this is a completely new tire.
Yes, it's clearly a new era, a new step, a new chapter of the Formula E story. You know, Michelin is involved in this championship since the beginning, and this season there's a lot of new things. So regarding the car, because the Gen 2 car is completely new with a new format due to the fact that they managed to increase the autonomy of the car, and now the driver will have only one car to do the complete race. And for Michelin, that means that we had to develop also a new tires, but we are in this championship to work on energy efficiency, and we are still working in this area. And this new tire is in the same line compared to the previous version. This is the third version of the Pilot Sport, Michelin Pilot Sport for the Formula E Championship, and we focus on two main aspects, which are the weight and the energy consumption of the tire. But we managed to increase the grip because now the car has more performance, also a little more weight. But we managed to decrease the weight of the tire. Compared to last year, we gained roughly 1 kilogram per tire. And if we do the comparison with the first version of this tire, the illustration is that today, in season 5, the 4 tires have the weight of 3 tires of season 1. So we gain roughly 25% in weight compared to the first season. We also gain in the energy consumption due to the tire. You know, a tire represents 20 to 25% of the energy consumption of the car. So we're still working on this area, and we don't have any figures because it's complicated to measure and to compare. But we know that this new tire will need less energy from the car. And when you addition this and the fact that it's lighter, at the end it will need less energy coming from the car, from the battery. We have a completely new tire. It's a complete new design. So internally, the material, the structure, also the pattern, the tread pattern. We are still in the philosophy of all-weather tire. And today we had the chance to test this new tire on rain conditions. This philosophy to have only one type for all conditions is clearly in the mind that having only one type means more efficient tire. We don't need to develop, produce and bring rain tires. So we are still in this philosophy, but we have a new tread pattern to be also aligned with the strategy of Michelin in terms of next generation of Michelin Pilot Sport. And last but not least, we work also on the branding of the tire, and this season 5 tire is easy to recognize compared to the previous versions due to the sidewall branding. We work on a 360-degree branding, colored branding, of course with the Michelin logo, but also with a kind of drawing around the tire. So this is a good way to see the new tire on the new car. You know, the new car is very spectacular, and we try to make this new tire also very spectacular.
And Michelin, since this race, have other job very important too, that is follow the Jaguar I-Pace Trophy.
Exactly. So this is a new championship which will take place during some of the Formula E races, and we are also partner of the Jaguar E-Trophy. On the Jaguar E-Trophy, it's clear that the link between the street and the race is very short. It's they take a street car and modify it for the race, and we have done the same with the tire. So it's clearly a street tire, just I would say branded to be a race tire, but clearly we have a tire that is very close to the street tire.
But very close, but not the same. You can use in the street the tire that they use in the Jaguar I-Pace Trophy.
Yes, it's clearly the design of the tire is a design of a street tire. Yes.
And also, now I know that you not follow this project, also because it can be impossible for you, for only one person, but Michelin also is involved in Moto-E, the electric motorcycles championship that will begin in 2019.
Yes, so it's, in Formula E, at the beginning everybody was looking Formula E very skeptical.
Not us.
Not us, yes. We were convinced that it was clearly the way the motorsport should be, not only, but of course it's a new because it's a new concept. We are involved in the Jaguar E-Trophy. It's electric SUV cars. Moto-E, it's also logical to be involved because it's also another electric mobility. Our vision is that the mobility of the future needs to be more and more sustainable. The competition needs to show the way and to accelerate innovation in the field of the sustainable mobility. Electric mobility is one of the potential mobility of the future, so that's the reason why we try to be involved in such competitions.
There are no doubts about the tires. The drivers, someone said that maybe will be a test to do a complete race now with only one car, and so only one set of tires. And for Michelin, it's all clear that it's all okay and there are no problems. Also, for example, we speak about Berlin and Tempelhof, that is a very abrasive asphalt.
Yeah, so until last year, so they still have two sets of tire, only one car but two sets of tire. Until last year, they got two spares. So starting from this year, they don't have any more spares. So they will go from 10 to 8 tires for the complete race weekend. And then, because they have only one car, they will not change during the race. So they will do the complete race with the same set of tire. All the tests that have been made by ourselves, but also by the teams and manufacturers, make us very confident on the fact that it's something that will be okay, completely okay. What we could probably see the fact that because the car are different, because different manufacturers with different powertrain, this could have an impact on the way the tire will behave. So perhaps we will see some differences during the race due to the fact that the car are different, and also driving style could have an impact on the way the tire will evaluate during the race.
Thank you very much, Serge, and good season.
Thank you.